without wasting anyone's time, I believe we get straight to it. An update on where we're up to so far: I've applied more expanding foam to the front and sanded it down to get us closer to the final form. Also, the foam for the side skirts has been applied, but I'm thinking to do something a bit more extreme when it comes to the side of the car, so stay tuned. We'll come back to that in the future episodes. Also, Asif is with us today as he's got to make some small modifications, or let's say finishing touches to the Type R before we hit Snetterton for our next track day. Explain what you were just explaining with this whole...
No, it's very simple. We've got the mesh grill. Sort of mesh grill.
Oh, that's it.
I think we've got about a metre long, really, I'm not sure, but I just really need to get that much. That much. Yeah, obviously we'll trim it down to where we need to, but we've got to fold it all the way in. We've got to tuck it away neatly, so we'll need a fair bit. At least like you'd be another one outside.
Yeah.
You could just mesh off around the fog lights nicely. The way it's just thin metal, you can snip, easily tidy exactly the shape you want as well. But let's see how it comes out.
That's gonna look tidy. It's like some proper nice home DIY stuff, but like professional. Get some light on this. If you guys remember last time, this vehicle had no exhaust. No, but you know that you got the pipes that connect to the front? Yeah. They're like invisible. What is this, like an EV or something? Oh, that is. No, it's a running system. Oh, right, that's a proper tidy job they did.
Yeah, but it's a very budget job, so we just really paid for brand new pipe work, obviously. They had this rear silencer box sitting in the recycling bin. I was like, I'll have that. Save some money there, perfectly fine. And then the tip, really, it's just a tip that's left, and the tip was a off of a BMW car, but there's no airbag in it either. Yeah. So we've nicely recycled some of this material.
Nice. It actually looks tidy. This looks well sick. I mean, way better than what it was.
Yeah, I do fear that the silencer is too big for the car. I think we're sapping a bit of power, using it with back pressure maybe, but we shall see. Can you edit out all the rust, yeah, in your video?
Yeah, I'll just use Adobe's. Adobe Rust Remover will fix all of this. Got a bad boy, brand new Team Dynamics on here as well. Serious business.
Last time we were on track, we bought the car as it is. It had project tyres practically worn out. We just, in the rain. So we found out exactly what that was about.
Sick. While Asif presumes work on the Type R, I was working on the side skirts. I managed to get both sides sanded down along with the splitter so it can be ready for body filler and fiberglass. That's the let me give you guys a nice little update of what is going on with the side skirt. Real quick, because we're gonna need this. We're gonna need this to see what we are talking about. Okay, so the side skirt has been flushed off quite well, which I am very happy about. One situation with this is that I'm not too sure. Basically, I can't really move on too much with the side skirt. I need to finish off the front splitter just so I can make sure that the design language for the front splitter makes sense with the side skirt. So I think we're gonna pause with that. We've got that to a nice position. It's time to finish off the front splitter. So I think that is what is necessary. Also, let me get the light for you as well. So this side is also been nice and tidied up. I've got to finish off the bit towards the back end of the side skirt, but other than that, that should be fine. There's some slight small changes that I made to the front splitter. I don't know if you'd be able to notice, but the actual corners itself was a little bit on the sharp side. It did kind of like come out angle and come straight back in. So I decided to complement the body line of the vehicle. So I decided to actually get rid of that and curve it around a little bit. It will have a face which is kind of like as you can see, there's a bit of a lip. It kind of like fans out. And then, but I'm gonna actually get, there's a little crease line just around here protruding, so I want to smooth that a bit more round, and that will kind of tidy that all up. So I want this line here to kind of follow up and nicely go around there to the end. Now doing a little tidy up before I move on to the next step. Now I don't know if you guys remember me talking about the body filler. This was the time when I used it. I quickly realized that I definitely used it on the wrong surface, obviously foam. So in order to seal the holes in the splitter, I had to go back to foaming one more time. Obviously, we all know the process by now. I'll leave it to set. I came back days later to sand it down once again, hopefully the last time. So without showing you guys the sanding, here's the finished product. Starting off with the center, instead of having the swoosh, let's say, I've gone for what I like to call a double stack, with the first piece being more flat and the second being slightly more angled. Later we will find out if it has any benefit, but from a design perspective, I think it looks pretty damn good. The side hasn't changed that much. Firstly, the crease on the side is now gone. It's banked ever so slightly, but smooth the whole way around. The final step before fiberglass is to lay down the foil tape. This foil tape is amazing. It allows me to apply the resin and lay down fiberglass without it sticking to the foam backing. So just in case I mess it up, I can carefully take it off and start it all again, which is perfect. So, yo, look at that. We've got the foil tape on there nicely. That looks really good, you know what I mean? Really happy about that, got the foil tape on there. Next is to get the fiberglass mixture in place so we can... Bless you! It's okay. So next to get the fiberglass mixture in place and actually start getting the fiberglass, I don't even know how close this is, start getting the fiberglass onto the vehicle. This is going to be quite nice. Let's go. With most fiberglass kits, it usually comes with some kind of information on the ratios between hardener and resin, just so you don't mess up, which is handy, especially for first-time users. Once you are done mixing, you apply the resin to the area where you're looking to lay the fiberglass. You must put quite a bit of resin, as the fiberglass is fairly thick depending on what you choose, just so it soaks through and actually gets wet. Once it gets wet, it will start to find its shape and become easy to mold around the front splitter, and it will start to take its form. Right, so it's quite upsetting that I got to end this a little bit early. Reason being is the fumes from this, bro, it's a lot. The fumes from that is a lot. Definitely need to go back and go get some proper eyewear, proper face masks, all the rest of it to get this, to finish this off. So I can't lie to you, the fumes is crazy, but I'll give you a nice little update. The fiberglass is okay to work with. I've only put on one little coat, as you can still see the silver foil behind it. Not too bad. I'm not too sure if this is gonna be the ending of the episode or ending of a day to another episode, but yeah. The plan is to come back with more fiberglass. I've already got enough resin and enough hardener, so I should be okay with that anyways. And I definitely need to get better eyewear and a better fucking face mask, because the one that I got there is done out here, I'll be honest with you. And then we can proper finish this off. So yeah, look at that. It's coming along nicely. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe, because in the next one we're going to Snetterton. I'll catch you then.
What's his 5-year-old handwriting? Look at this. I'm doing a track day on board.